Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tin fish sambal. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need 1 can of your favorite tinned fish, like sardines or mackerel, along with 1 large red onion and 2 fresh green chilies. Don't forget a fresh lime, some salt, and a pinch of turmeric powder. We'll also use about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder for that perfect kick. This simple dish is incredibly flavorful and comes together quickly. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient, the tinned fish. First, open your can and carefully drain all the liquid, whether it's oil or water. This step is crucial for the right texture. Next, using a fork, gently flake the fish into small, bite-sized pieces. While most tinned fish is soft, feel free to remove any larger bones or skin if you prefer a smoother sambal. This forms the delicious base of our dish. It's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. In a bowl, combine your flaked fish with the finely chopped red onion. Now, add your 2 sliced green chilies and about 1 sprig of fresh curry leaves, if you have them. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and a pinch of turmeric. Finally, squeeze in the juice of 1 fresh lime and mix everything thoroughly. Season with salt to your liking. And there you have it, your delicious homemade tin fish sambal is ready. This versatile dish is best enjoyed fresh. It pairs wonderfully with a steaming plate of warm rice, making a satisfying meal. You can also serve it alongside string hoppers, roti, or even as a flavorful spread on bread. For an extra touch, garnish with a few fresh coriander leaves. Enjoy this simple yet incredibly tasty creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.